Meme coins have totally dominated the crypto space for the last few months. People are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day buying and flipping these newly created pump.fun coins. In this video, I'll give you the tools needed to find these coins and hopefully set you on the path to be the next big successful meme coin trader. So you need to be doing this on a trading platform or using some kind of bot. I'll be using a trading platform, but what you need to do is buy Solana on a centralized exchange, send it to your Phantom wallet, create a Photon wallet, then send your Solana there. I have a video on this entire process and Photon itself, so if you're unfamiliar with the platform I'll be using in this video, the link for that will be at the top of the description. Before we go over the settings needed to catch these pump.fun coins, let's talk about the mindset and overall approach I personally have to these coins. There's quite literally thousands of these coins created every single day. Just look at what's going on in the background under the newly created tab. It's just insane. These are new coins being created. So my mindset is this: I'm always taking profit. Statistically, there's an extremely slim chance that I caught the next 9-figure meme coin. And there's an even slimmer chance I caught the next big multi-billion-dollar meme coin. So with that in mind, I am always taking profit. These coins are extremely risky. They're quick flips. I'm in and out, and I can always re-enter if and when that coin becomes more established down the line. Anyway, I just want to quickly share that. If you want me to go through my full mindset and take profit strategy, let me know in the comments below. I can do a fully separate video on that. Alright, now that my small ramble is over, let's get into the settings. It's definitely worth noting that just because you have these settings enabled doesn't mean that you will 100% avoid rugs. You absolutely will get rugged. You'll get rugged several times a day. You'll get rugged dozens of times. It's unfortunately just part of the game, but you will get rugged. It's extremely high risk, so be mindful of that. Anyway, we'll be using the Memescope tab on Photon. We can see newly created meme coins, about to graduate, which means it's about to be fully bonded, or graduated, which means it has been fully bonded on pump.fun. What's great about this is we can set certain filters for each category to hopefully avoid as many rugs as possible. All I do really is change 3 settings under newly created. I change pump progress, holder count, and snipers. I have pump progress set to 25, holder count set to 35, and snipers set to 1. What this is saying is that the newly created tab will only show me pump.fun coins that have progressed 25% of their bonding, have more than 35 holders, and have 0 snipers. These are the settings you should definitely mess around with. You may find that you're getting into coins later than you'd like, which is honestly ridiculous to say out loud because later means maybe, I don't know, a 50k market cap instead of 15k. But in that case, you'd want to lower the pump progress down to 15 along with the holders count, and the snipers will stay the same. As you can see, these settings really aren't anything special. They're simple but highly effective. It's very similar to trading price action or with EMAs. It's not going to be absolutely perfect. You're going to get some losers, of course, but the goal is just to tune out as much BS as possible and focus on the potential runners instead. And that's pretty much it. The best thing you can do yourself is mess around on Memescope and see what works for you or doesn't, and adjust filters accordingly. I don't mess around with about to graduate or graduated because I don't really care about them. I really just care about seeing all of the newly created stuff, but setting some filters so it's not just so crazy and I don't see literally everything being created and rugged in under 10 seconds. I want to see things that maybe have a chance, do my own research, look into the dev, look into the wallets, and go from there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to go through my full take profit and mindset strategy for these coins, I could definitely do that in a separate video. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.